Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting the essential components: Amplifier IC LM386 or TPA 3116, a stable 12V supply, input and output capacitors, speaker, and a heatsink. First, tie all grounds together to form a common reference. This prevents hum and oscillation. Once done, route the 12V to the amp VCC pin and immediately place a 0. 1 micro F bypass, cap across VCC and ground to filter high-frequency noise. Then feed your audio through the 10 micro F input cap to the input pin, keeping next you shape the amplifier behavior. Configure the gain network using the resistor and cap values recommended in the datasheet. This controls bandwidth and noise, so don't max it out. Then install the output coupling capacitor, 220 micro F is common, to block DC from the speaker. If using long speaker leads or inductive loads, add an output snubber or small series inductor to prevent oscillation. Also attach the heatsink with proper thermal interface. Thermal stability keeps distortion low and protects the chip during heavy use. To finish, power up using a current-limited 12V supply and measure idle current and rail voltages to confirm proper bias. Then connect your signal source at low volume and slowly increase while monitoring for clipping or distortion. If you hear oscillation or high-frequency noise, make sure input and feedback leads are short, add 0. 1 micro F caps at inputs, and fit a 10 ohms series resistor with 0. 1 micro F across the output as a snubber. This single troubleshooting tip, shorten wiring and add bypassing, fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.